Many users are experiencing connectivity problems between their Omnipod 5 insulin pump and Dexcom G7 continuous glucose monitor. These issues can lead to inaccurate blood sugar readings and interrupted automated insulin delivery. The Dexcom G7 system includes a sensor, smartphone app, and receiver. However, when paired with the Omnipod 5, users frequently encounter signal interruptions and connection failures. The primary cause is Bluetooth Low Energy interference. The Omnipod 5 uses BLE technology, which has a weaker signal strength and requires a direct line of sight between the sensor and the insulin pump pod. The Dexcom G7's design also contributes to connectivity problems. The battery placement on top of the antenna can inhibit signal transmission, making the connection even more unreliable. A critical limitation is that the Dexcom G7 can only connect to one medical device at a time. This means it must be paired exclusively with either your Omnipod 5 or the Dexcom receiver, but not both simultaneously. Finally, ensure you have the newer Omnipod 5 pods that are specifically compatible with the Dexcom G7. Check the product box for G7 compatibility markings, as older pods may not work properly with the newer sensor system. Understanding these connectivity challenges is the first step toward resolving them. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and solutions to improve the connection between your Omnipod 5 and Dexcom G7.